Now, if you don't have the HD color, the one that I have on here, there's also Premiere has just its image control. You go down and you click on your color corrector there, drop and drag it across, and on this color corrector, again, you've got some of your basics. One of them is your curves, and so you can grab your curve at any point and pull it up and down. Now, like I say, be very reasonable with this. You can either pull it down really dark like this, or you can pull your reds up. Now, if you're shooting a music video, you know, go crazy. You can oversaturate. You can do whatever you want. If you're shooting something a little more dramatic or a little more reality, you want to make sure to not go too over the top with your colors. But that's enough, see. And if you play it here, hit the space bar, and so you've got a really cool like music video feel of something that was just a simple shot going down the hallway. And so color correction is going to be a real vital point for people who really want to make their film something special.